Now I gotta open up this garage. I'm gonna show you this Audi S4 I bought for $400 on Marketplace, and it's decent. You know, it's been sitting a long time, so it's got water damage. Other than that, just a rust spot right here. And I can show you guys how it runs for $400, and it's actually decent. I'll pull it out. You can take a good look at it. And I love this car. For some reason, that thing by the brake system, it's making a humming sound, so I'm gonna have to fix that. That's the reason why I can't keep the battery hooked up. And it actually runs pretty damn good. Darn good. 1 minute. This key in the ignition for $400.
For some showers and thunderstorms later on this evening. Lows around 63. Partly sunny tomorrow, 77. Then sunny, 80 on Sunday.
Yeah, it's decent for $400. I'm gonna be doing the timing belt in it. So I mean, the timing chain comes with 4 timing chains, and the timing chains are in the back of the engine, in between the transmission and the engine. They're kind of hard to get to. I might have to rip the whole engine out. Sorry. It's decent for $400. I don't need a timing chain. I just want to replace it just cause, so I know I'm straight.
For only $18 a month. Plus, we qualified for same-day life insurance. No medical exam required, and we were covered by the time we hung up with Select Quote. Even if you have a health concern, be it high blood pressure,
it really is nice with only 170-something thousand on it.
Can find you the right life insurance policy at the lowest price. Make life
174,634
insurance
miles.
the first resolution you check off your list
And
this
it
year.
actually sounds pretty dang decent.
1-800-989-4040 to get your free quote today. That's 1-800